Good morning. It's Thanksgiving.
It's Thanksgiving. I only changed clothes 5 times. Actually, it was just shirts. I wanted to be comfortable, yet look cute.
I only saw 3 changes. I didn't see them, but it's like a magician.
Well, it's because I always wear shirts under shirts under shirts.
You're like a Russian nesting doll with your shirt.
Yes. I'm hoping with the start of me posting a small Thanksgiving vlog that I'll get onto my regularly scheduled programming.
Are we shooting for a post a week or?
Let's not worry about the small details.
Oh, okay. Well, I hear that setting a goal like that is a good idea.
Yeah, but I always mess the goals up. I feel like I do far better when I have no goals to screw up.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And I know you can edit these and things too, right? So cut out any ramblings that is too personal. But I did. There's a video I need to send you about ADHD that I didn't realize. Like, I'm always learning new stuff about ADHD, and this doctor wrote. It was 4 years ago. This video was posted, but I'm like going through her past videos now, and this one was explaining how why it's so hard getting started for ADHD people, and like it's sometimes can even become physically feel like a physical pain to get started with something. And this is no complaint, because I'll do it again when it needs to be done, but that's like the kind of stuff like when there's a chore I don't want to do, and like I have to sit there and like amp myself up for it, you know. So like when I have the other night when I was like trying to do the bathtub or whatever, I had to sit down and psych myself up for like 10 minutes before I could even turn around and like look at it. But that's because it's the same way with like doing the litter box for me, you know, or going to work.
Comparing my bathtub to a litter box?
Yeah, I think it's gross.
That's a little cruel.
Shit is gross.
He's talking about the drain, not the shower.
No, it's immaculate. I would eat off of the shower.
Ew.
It's that okay, to, you know, comparison to what's beneath. But that again, that's not anything. That's not a thing about you. That's a me thing, you know. But I wanted you to have like more understanding of, because that was new to me too. Like, you know, that's like, yeah, no, I figured my ADHD was part of it, but that's not the only thing I have problems with in life. And like day to day, I have those battles with everything, whether it's calling a particular customer, or because I know I'm gonna get yelled at, or whether it's, you know, commuting to work. I literally have like stomach pains when I try to like go to work sometimes.
That makes sense.
So in my, like when I go on my videos, if I go ranting about something, I want to talk about something that I've learned with, you know, my own diagnosis and stuff. But there's a lot of, you know, influencers or YouTubers or creators who are makers, and a lot of my stuff overlaps with makers and creators. And makers are very, you know, just like all other artists, are very passionate people often. And so a lot of them have a lot of the same problems I do, being creative, being a creative person. They have, there's a lot of people out there who are bipolar or who are, have ADHD like bad. And one of the things that they talked about was getting the routine of getting a schedule down and a deadline each week and meeting that goal, whatever it was actually healthy for them.
Really?
Yeah, and so the process of YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or whatever actually helped heal them in a way. So I think that it's healthy if you set yourself a goal, and then if you don't make it, then just reframe the goal for next time, so that but don't go easy on yourself.
Yeah.
So I think you could do I think you could commit to a weekly post. I easily think you could, even if it's just 20 minutes. All you have to do, not even a 20-minute, like I'm talking, you spend 20 minutes editing on a 30, a minute long, 2 minute long update. And then once, every 2 weeks or every 4 weeks, you have like a long update or something. And then work yourself up to full updates after that, full length video or whatever your normal format is. I'm sure you have a ton of like YouTube shorts material and like Instagram material that we can throw up.
I'm trying to finish editing like one more video that I have to post, part 2. And then I won't have anything. But I want to start trying to do reels more. They used to be so funny and like could think of things to post. Now I'm just not. Or no, it's not that I'm not. It's that that so many people don't get my humor. And then I think I'm so freaking funny, but nobody else does.
But there's a lot of that out there, but you'll find your niche. And then you'll find the people that do get you. And that's the magic right there, I think. But you really need a Discord, I think, eventually. And like people that are, and once you bring in people that you can trust in your community that don't mind helping moderate, then that's good too.
I can't even handle lives and subscriptions on Instagram.
My house to nap.
Yes, that's exactly what. I could just get my nephew in my lap to take a nap like we did last Christmas or New Year's or whenever that was. Oh, there's an old man jogging out to his mailbox. Probably close to my age.
So I was on Discord with my buddies yesterday, and John was like, someone asked if that John's mom was old. He's like, well, I don't know, she's in her 60s. And I was like, yes, old.
We can't be saying 60's old.
Yeah, until I'm 60, it's old.
Oh my God.
And then I'll be officially old.
No, you're not old until 80 now.
I'll accept 50, to be honest.
I never thought I'd live past 40, so I'm living on borrowed time at this point.
See, if that's the case, I never would have got to hang out with my sister.
I know. since I was real little, I would tell everybody I was going to die before I was 40.
I used to say that too.
Really?
And then I had a very specific year that I was going to live to, which is 389 years old. I kind of went the opposite direction.
Wow, he's so funny. What are we doing?
We're going to back in. No, it was always that I expected to be in prison at the time I was 30. And then...
Prison? Really?
I was a bad child, according to everybody else, because they didn't know how to handle ADHD.
No, it's just because Dad let you sleep with teenage girls in your bed.
Oh, that's it. The siren song of women that caused my corruption. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. Isn't this making it slower for me to get to the house?
I'm wheeling you, so
Oh.
doesn't
Oh, yeah. I didn't know.
Yeah. I'm thinking of how easy it is
Oh, okay.
to wheelchair someone on concrete versus grass. So, psycho killer.
I'll turn that off.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Fa 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 fa.
You're your father so much.